Yo, what is up, guys? As requested by a few people, I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to get the mods for the old Spider-Man 2 game that was on GameCube and PS2. I'm running on PC, Windows 10, and we're going to be using that Dolphin Emulator. This wasn't requested by many people, but you know, during the whole quarantine, I don't really have anything better to do, so why not help you guys out? Oh, and by the way, this is not a tutorial on how to get the game working. It's very, very tricky to an extent, and there's many videos on how to get it set up. You even have to go as far as getting an older version of the Dolphin Emulator. So with that being said, I won't show you guys how to do it. There's other people that'll show you how to do it. I'm just going to show you guys how to get the costumes and the symbiote skin and the super jump that you guys saw in my previous video. So first thing you're going to do, right click this. Well, actually no, before you do this, you're going to go to options, configure, and then you're going to check enable cheats. I think it's unchecked by default. Yeah, that was one thing that was annoying. So anyway, you're going to check that, get out of this, right click, properties, and then AR codes. You can see these are the cheats I already have. You can kind of code them in, as you can say, by hitting add right here. Name it accordingly. Obviously infinite health, you're going to name it infinite health or whatever you want to name it, and then here's where you're going to put the code. You can get that code from this website right over here. I'll put the link in the description. Infinite hero meter, moon jump, all this good stuff, dizzy strike, spider missile. I haven't even put these. These kind of sound pretty cool. But yeah, that's what you're going to put, and you know that and then once you copy and paste those, I'll just kind of give y'all an example. Hit add, erase that, paste it, and then hit OK, and then it'll be done. You know, I'm going to remove that because I don't really care. But yeah, so that's all you got to do. And then you're just going to run the game as normal. And you're going to make sure your controller is binded to the right buttons. Like make sure if you know, L1 is super jump. On GameCube, L1 is like left shoulder or something. So you're going to want to like make sure you have all this set so you're pressing the right button. But anyway, now we know how to do the cheat codes. I will link you guys, or next thing I'm going to show you how to do is the symbiote skins. Now I've come across a lot of YouTube modders for Spider-Man 2, and they were, last I checked, they were not sharing these skins, and it was kind of annoying. They were being kind of selfish with them. They would make them and just not release them. I don't know, that was a couple years ago. I don't know, maybe they're out now, but someone was nice enough to give them to me a while back. So I'll put them in a Google Drive for you guys, and that way, and I'll link it in the description, and that way you guys can grab it. So it's going to be like, here's all the skins that I have. Here's the 2001 game skin. It's just, all they did was edit like the texture. It's just a PNG file. You can see like the health bar is kind of modded, and that's like what the costume is going to look like. That's the black suit that I used in my video. And then there's like the health bar for it as well. That's all you're replacing. Now to do that, you're going to copy this folder, this whole thing, one of them, and then you're going to go to your documents, wherever that might be. It might be over here for you guys. For me, I put it on my hard drive. So you're going to go to documents, and you're going to go to Dolphin Emulator, then you're going to go to load, textures, and then you're going to paste that folder right in there. I already have it in here, as you can see. So there's no need for me to put it there, obviously, but that's the directory you're going to put it in. You're going to go to Documents, Dolphin Emulator, Load, click on Textures, and then paste that folder in there. And last thing, to load custom textures, you're going to go to Graphics, Advanced, and then you're going to check Load Custom Textures, otherwise it won't work. So you got to have that checked, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I will put a Google Drive for you guys since everyone else wanted to be selfish with the skins a couple years back, last I checked, and then I'll also put that website where you can put all the cheat codes. That is everything you need to know, and might be posting some other videos, so stay tuned. I might do I got Pac-Man World 2 running in 4K. That's an old PS2 game, so if you guys are interested in watching that, feel free to do so. But yep, anyway, hope you guys got a thing or two from this, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll get back to you. I got nothing to do with this whole coronavirus, so feel free to contact me anyway. See you guys later.